Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit questions on Quora, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and then you should see at your home space a post, and if you want to edit the question you have to click on the three dots at the bottom of the post, and now you should see the edit question. And now you can edit the question, and if you are sure that you would like to post that question with that edit, click on the save. And if you click on the three dots again, you should see that there are other options like the bookmark or downvote question or log or report one. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.